Alright, so on number 3, what it's asking is that line, the line that has a length of 20, is it tangent? The only way that it could be tangent is if it's perpendicular to this radius. But if it's perpendicular to that radius, this must be a right triangle. And if it's a right triangle, it must follow the Pythagorean theorem. Therefore, a squared plus b squared would have to equal c squared. Let's see if it does. 10 squared plus 20 squared. Let's see if it equals 10 root 5 squared. That's 100 plus 400 should equal 100 times 5. We have to square both pieces. That's what's going on here. 10 squared, root 5 squared. 10 squared is 100. Root 5 squared is 5. So we get on one side 500. And on the other side we get 5 times 100 is 500. So that's a check mark, smiley face, because Pythagorean theorem does apply. So yes, is tangent. How exciting. Okay, next one, find the value of x to the nearest tenth. Well, we have a nice line right here, nice diameter. What we can do is we can complete the picture by drawing in another line. Now we have a nice right triangle, and we know the length of this hypotenuse because it's just a radius. The diameter is 12, so this must be 6. So then we can do Pythagorean theorem, 3 squared plus x squared equals 6 squared. Get 9 equals x squared. 9 plus x squared equals 36. We get x squared equals 27. We get x equals root 27, which we can then simplify as 3 times root 3 if you want to see y. Square root 27 is 3 times 3 squared. So then this 3 squared can come out here and become 3. We take the square root of 3 squared, we get 3. We're left with root 3 on the inside. But long story short, the answer is root 27. Oh, and it says to find it to the nearest tenth. So you would have to type this into a calculator, get a decimal answer, and then round it up to the nearest tenth. All right, I think that's it for both of those.